So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you download and use Node.js, which is a JavaScript based language. So firstly let's move in our browser. Here you just have to simply type Node.js download. Just click on the first link from Node.js. Now you have to choose your operating system and then you can just switch operating system from here, and then after that you can just go with the Windows installer. Just save this one, then open your downloads. You can see that this is successfully downloaded. Just click on this. This will show your installation wizard. Now just click on next. Then again accept this license agreement. Then next. This is the location where your Node.js will be installed. Next. Next. Keep it as default. Next. And then just install this. This will take some time depending upon your operating system. Depending upon your system, not operating system. And then I will be pausing the video. It is almost done. So you can see that now Node.js is successfully installed. Just click on finish. Now what we can do is, yeah, you can see that these are the tools for Node.js native modules installation script. Press any key to continue. Continue. And now we can do one thing. Okay, this is opening Windows PowerShell. Just minimize this. Okay, now we have to open our command prompt because we need to make sure that our Node.js is successfully installed. So for that, what I will do is I will open my command prompt or terminal. You can open anything. After that, what you have to do is you have to check for node double hyphen version. You can see that version 24.11.0 is successfully installed in our computer and is globally accessible. Globally accessible means that you can access it from anywhere in your PC using your terminal or any other script. After that, what we have to do is we all have to also check for npm version. Npm is the node package manager. You can see that both of these are installed. That means we are ready to go with Node.js development projects. So that's it for today's video guys. Now let's see you next time.